On this day in history, 20th September 1857, the city of Delhi fell to the British and the Mughal Empire collapsed. The last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was captured and exiled to Rangoon in British-controlled Burma. The Indian Rebellion was a major uprising against the rule of the British East India Company, which started on 10th May 1857 in the form of mutiny of sepoys of the company's army in Meerut, and was contained by the defeat of the rebels in Gwalior on 20th June 1858. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar lived the rest of his life as a prisoner in Rangoon, where he died on 7th November 1862, at the age of 87.